Okay, so now let's talk about what we're going to learn in this course. So, the strategy that I took when I created this course is I sat down and I said, what were the steps that I took to start investing in real estate? And what were the things that I had to learn through reading books, um, through experience, and then what was the order that I learned those things, and then what was the order that I should have learned those things. And so what I did is when I organized this course, I organized it in a way and in a structure where I am teaching the things that you need to learn first and in order to the point where you actually get down into investing in your first deal. Or if you've already started investing in real estate, um, I'm going to cover the bases in case there's some things that you did not learn as you jumped in, but you'll learn them in the order that you should have learned those things, at least in my experience. Okay, so but I looked at all those things that I learned while I kind of took my journey in investing in real estate, and I organized a course in the proper order that I should have learned those things, and that's how I'm going to share it with you guys. So these are some of the things that we're going to learn in this course. This is not an exhaustive list, or else we would be sitting here for quite a while talking about all of the details of what I'm going to teach. But first of all, let me give my goal of this course and my commitment to you for this course. And so my goal with this course is to teach you all of the things that you need to know to invest in residential real estate in the United States, to be in order to get a proficiency, confidence, to be able to invest, an understanding of the right terminology, an understanding of what is necessary and what is needed to make sound decisions and to make profit doing rental properties or buy and hold, or also doing flips. Now, I'm also going to talk about all of the different ways or the common ways that people make money investing in real estate in the United States, like wholesaling, and so that you have a complete breadth and understanding of the different ways that you can make money in real estate. But I'm primarily going to talk about and teach buy and hold strategies or rentals and flip strategies. But like I said, in this course, we'll also touch on wholesaling and a couple of other interesting ways to make money investing in real estate, especially if you're getting started. And if you guys give me feedback as you're taking the course and you like to learn more about certain topics that I touch at a high level, feel free to let me know. And I'll either add that to this course, add it as free content on my YouTube channel, or if it's something more advanced, then we may launch another course just to talk about that advanced topic. Okay, but my expertise is in making money through buy and hold or rental properties or flip. So I'm going to teach you everything I know about how to do that. So that's my goal and my commitment to you. When you invest in this course, like I said, you'll have access to it forever. And my commitment is to keep the content up to date. So if things change on a year-to-year basis, I'll go back in and update the content. If you guys give me feedback and say, hey, Will, you might want to consider this, then I'll go in, do the research, then I'll go in and update the course. And so that you always have access to up-to-date content as you start investing in real estate or continue to invest in real estate. So for example, if you buy the course today, but you're not quite ready to start investing, and a year later, you're ready to start investing, your situation might be perfect, then you might want to come back to this course and get refreshed on things and then start investing. So my commitment is I'll keep this course up to date for you. Also, you have access to me once you purchase into this course. There's going to be a couple of different levels. So depending on what level will kind of determine what type of access you have to me and my team. But anybody that purchases this course, I'm going to be paying attention to your needs and your questions, and we'll host live streams and things of that nature from my YouTube channel. So if you haven't signed up or subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do, and make sure you turn on the notifications so that if we go live, you'll know about it. And the other secondary way, or maybe I should say primary way, would be just to be a member of willmotivation.com. Anyway, so that's my commitment to you. And after you take this course, you should be comfortable with the idea and reality of investing in real estate. You should also walk away with an understanding of the following critical concepts. So I didn't want to leave this out, so I made sure to put it in this slide. So what I want you guys to understand is the many different ways that you can make money investing in real estate. So I'm going to go over all of those different ways that are commonly used in the United States. I want you to be able to understand the difference between a good deal and a bad deal, because you don't want to just jump in and start investing. Let's say you get some money together, or you get some contacts and your network is expanded and you're ready to start investing. I don't want you to just run out and buy the first property that you see that you like. I want you to know how to evaluate that property and compare that property to other properties, to look at the larger picture of the location, the city, what the economy looks like, all those good things, in order to make a determination if that's a good deal or if it's a bad deal. I also want you to know how to go about purchasing your next investment property. So what things you have to have in order, your financing. When you actually go take a look at the property, we're actually going to do some field trips. I'll take you guys along with me via video to the evaluation of certain properties that I'm personally looking at, and teach you guys what types of things to look out for. And then, so when is it a good time to flip versus a good time to hold or rent a property? I want you to understand what it means to leverage your money and how to work with banks when you start investing in real estate. I want to teach you also how to go about renovating a property and handling and managing a rehab, so that you are efficient and you know how to find contractors, you know how to manage those contractors, you know how to keep it safe so that you're not wasting money or getting cheated out of lots of money. Because a lot of us that are self-taught in investing in real estate, we've all had these experiences where we've lost money dealing with bad contractors, or we lost time. So I'm going to teach you some of my learnings from that. Also, I'm going to teach you how to effectively lease, sell, or refinance your property. So once you're done with your rehab and you're making a decision to lease it out, refinance it, pull some money out of it, what does that mean and what does that look like versus just selling it or flipping it? And then some of the reasons around why you would do every one of those things. So also, I'm going to teach you some of the strategies for managing your rental properties effectively as a landlord. And to a lot of people, that's a bad word, being a landlord, but trust me, it's not as bad as you might think, especially if you maintain your properties well and you set your properties up to be as maintenance free as possible. Okay, but I'm going to teach you some of the strategies that I use. We'll also do some field trips with that, and I'll show you, like, for example, I just did a showing today, and I recorded the showing. So it'll be some bonus, there will be some bonus footage for you to take advantage of. And you can see exactly how I ran my showing, how I prepared for it, and then actually the people coming through the showing and me talking to them, some of the questions that they ask, and all of that good stuff. And then just at a higher level, we'll look at sort of the mathematics and the decisions that you might make that will lead to you becoming a millionaire through real estate. Okay, so those are some of the things that we're going to learn in this course. By no means is that an exhaustive list, but I wanted to run that, prepare you guys for what you're getting ready to learn, because once you take this course and you pay attention and you ask questions, you'll come out from this course understanding how people make money investing in real estate, understanding how you can make money investing in real estate, and then you'll be able to apply the things that you've learned that I'm sharing with you from my experience and from my studies so that you can apply that to your own life and your own circumstances and start making moves to have a very lucrative investment career through real estate. So um, stay tuned. And if you want a homework assignment from this course, I would say go ahead and take a look at some of the real estate videos that I have on willmotivation.com, and I'll actually show you how you can do that. So if you go to YouTube, sorry, let me go to, just pull up your browser, type in YouTube, and then you can search for Will Motivation. This is my channel right here. Just pull that channel up, and then if you scroll down, you've got popular uploads, recent uploads, free real estate investing advice. If you click on that, you'll get all of the videos that I've done related to investing in real estate, and there's actually quite a bit, okay, on a lot of different topics. So definitely check that out if you're looking for some homework. Yeah, so this class session is about what we're going to learn. And there's always bonus material in my presentations. So, for example, the bonus material that I have as a part of this presentation and this actual PowerPoint that you can download through the course will be some key terms and abbreviations you should know when you are talking real estate with your realtor, with other investors, or if you're dealing with banks, or if you're dealing with private money lenders. So I'll just run down some of the common ones like REI, that's real estate investment or investor. REO, that's real estate owned, usually when we're talking about a bank. Like they have a REO list, that's real estate that they own, usually because people defaulted on their payments. LTV, loan to value. And so I just want to share some of these terms with you. And this is like bonus content that's a part of this presentation. And you'll see some extra things in the PowerPoint. So make sure you take a look at those as a part of your homework beyond just what you see on video. So hope you're excited. I'm definitely excited. And really appreciate you guys taking the time out to learn with me. And like I said, ask questions, and you'll just make me a better teacher. So my email address, if you want to ask questions, is get@willmotivation.com. Okay, I'll talk to you in the next class.